Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to show how to download and install Apex Legends on your Nintendo Switch console or Nintendo Switch Lite. So how to download it for free. You need to log in with your Nintendo Switch console and choose your user ID or directly go to Nintendo eShop. Go to this Nintendo eShop here and choose your user ID. If it is asking you to enter Nintendo Switch password, just enter it and user ID and password, and you need to just go to search. You need to go to the search options and come here and search Apex Legends. So just type Apex Legends, I'm keying, and search it. So here, right, this Apex Legends is free to download, and you can see this option also for other languages. So French, Japanese, German, Italian. By default, it will be in English. If you need any other languages, right, you need to download it. For example, I'm going to choose this Apex Legends. Free download. This is the entire game. So tap on this free download. Again, we need to tap this free download. Super. Also, you can check this view products compatible with this software. I'm tapping A. So you can choose the language. So view all items. You can directly search your Nintendo eShop itself. If you want to any other languages, right? If you want to use French, German, you can use it. For example, now I'm going to choose this Spanish. Tapping A. Tap on this add to purchase. This is free only. So going back, choosing another language, Russian and German. Proceed to purchase. So free download, tap on this free download. So the language package also will be downloaded. So I'm going to close this because I'm going to verify on home screen. So Apex Legends is downloading. So on home screen, right, I'm downloading it. So Apex Legends is successfully installed on Nintendo Switch console. So now I'm going to open it. Choose your user ID. So now you can play this Apex Legends on your Nintendo Switch console by pressing A button. You need to enter with your user ID. I mean Nintendo Switch user ID you need to log in with. So that's it friends. This is the way you can download and install Apex Legends on Nintendo Switch console. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video form. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.